Backward time travel. Alright, let's get to the real mind-bending stuff. Traveling back in time. Imagine stepping into a machine, dialing in a date, and suddenly finding yourself in ancient Egypt, or warning the Titanic before it sinks. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the catch. Backward time travel is way more complicated than moving forward. Physics doesn't outright forbid traveling to the past, but it throws a bunch of challenges our way. The biggest issue? Paradoxes. Ever heard of the grandfather paradox? If you went back and stopped your grandparents from meeting, you'd never be born. But then who traveled back in time in the first place? It's a loop that breaks reality. Some scientists argue that time might fix itself in weird ways, preventing changes that would create contradictions. Others suggest multiple timelines, meaning if you change the past, you'd just create a new alternate universe instead of rewriting your own. So how could we actually go back in time? One idea involves closed time-like curves, predicted in Einstein's equations. These would allow you to loop back in time, but so far we don't know if they could exist in the real world. Another theory, cosmic strings, massive, ultra-dense objects stretching across the universe that might warp spacetime enough to allow for time loops. But there's no evidence these strings exist. Then there's the biggest question of all. Even if we figure out how to travel backward in time, should we? If history could be rewritten, would we even recognize our present? The past might be set in stone for a reason, or maybe we just haven't found the right key yet.